How does chickpea give you healthy skin and gleaming skin like firefly? We all want to keep our skin glowing and acne-free. Despite many attempts, we have failed. There is a new way to turn your failure into success. Are you curious to know what it is? This is the chickpea you all know. We use chickpeas mostly for food. But it is less to use to get a beautiful face. No doubt it will be the best guide to beautifying the face. In this post, we will see how to get whitening skin by using chickpeas. Other names: Tamil name, Valai Sundal, English name, Bengal gram, botanical name, Cicerariatinum. What are the chemical properties and healing properties of chickpea? This flower is rich in protein, unsaturated fatty acids like linoleic and oleic acids, and vitamins like riboflavin, niacin, folate, and beta-carotene. It has zinc in chickpea, to fight the infections that cause your face acne. It also helps control excess sebum production and soothes inflamed skin. Enriched with micronutrients and essential macrominerals, chickpea flour can help improve both your health and beauty remedies. Chickpeas have the perfect balance of magnesium, molybdenum, and vitamin B that helps in exfoliating and detoxifying the skin along with repairing the damage done by the sun. How can we use chickpeas to bring health and glow to our faces? Chickpea scrubber. Take a bowl with 1 tablespoon chickpea powder, 1 tablespoon milk, and ½ tablespoon white sugar. Finally add ½ teaspoon of honey and mix well. Now, this paste is ready to use as a scrubber. How to use this scrubber? After washing your face thoroughly, put this scrubber on your face and rub it well. After rubbing this on the face for 10 minutes, wash the face with normal water. What are the benefits of using this scrubber? Chickpea can help reduce hyperpigmentation, remove tan, and give youthful skin. It penetrates the pores of the face and cleans the dirt, removing the dead cells and giving an instant glow to the face. Chickpea powder face mask. Take water in a pan and heat it. Place another vessel on top of it and add 1 tablespoon of aloe vera, 1 tablespoon of chickpea powder, and 1 tablespoon of gelatin. Mix well and heat it until it becomes thick. Once it cools down, apply it to your face as a mask. Then peel it off when it dries. What is the instruction for using this mask? Do not use this mask on highly acne-prone skin. This will remove the hair from the skin, so this mask should be peeled off gently. When using it, it should be used without falling into the mesh. What are the benefits of using this face mask? This kind of gentle exfoliation deeply cleanses your skin, gives it a natural glow, and prevents pigmentation. Gelatin increases the skin's ability to produce collagen, giving it a more youthful appearance and lessening the visibility of wrinkles and fine lines. Aloe prevents dark spots, pimples, and scars from appearing on the face. It helps to make the skin glowing and get healthy skin. Chickpea powder cream. Take a bowl, add ½ cup chickpea, pour 2 cups of water and soak it well. Then add water and grind it well. After grinding, filter it and extract the juice. Add 1 tablespoon of chickpea extract, ½ teaspoon of corn flour, 1 teaspoon of guar gum, ½ teaspoon of glycerin, ½ teaspoon of rose essential oil, and a few drops of vitamin E oil, and mix well. Mix it well to get a creamy consistency. Then keep it in an airtight bottle. It can be used on the face when needed. What are the benefits of using this face cream? Vitamin E oil may help the skin look more youthful and reduce wrinkled. Vitamin E oil can moisturize and soothe dry skin, and flaky skin. It may help to relieve the burning and itching that result from a sunburn. Rose oil visibly helps refine your skin's texture, which aids in combating aging, redness, dry skin, and even adult acne. So it's perfect for all skin types. Glycerin is great for the skin. It can increase skin hydration, relieve dryness, and refresh the skin's surface. It exfoliates the skin dead cells and brightens the skin. Guar gum is a thickening agent for creams, hydrated your skin, and soft. It is suitable for all skin types. Chickpeas can help you reduce acne naturally. Chickpeas maintain pH balance, reduce sun damage to the skin, and give brightened skin. Take good care of your skin and hydrate. If you have good skin, everything else will fall into place. Eclat. Thanks for watching this video.